Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to edit out parts of a video on iPhone CapCut. Editing out parts of a video in CapCut is so simple. Just follow these steps. To remove parts from the beginning or end of the video, tap on the video clip in the timeline. Drag the white handles at the start or end of the clip to trim out unwanted sections. This method is ideal for removing content from the very start or end of the video. If you want to cut out a section from the middle of your video, tap on the clip where you want to make a cut and move the playhead to the specific point. Tap the split tool at the bottom of the screen. This will divide the clip into two parts. Move the playhead to where the unwanted section ends and tap split again. Now, you can tap the middle clip, the section you want to remove, and tap the delete button to cut it out. After deleting unwanted sections, the remaining clips will automatically snap together. Tap the play button at the top of the screen to preview your edited video and ensure the unwanted parts have been successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily edit out unwanted parts of a video using CapCut on your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.